Good morning students, welcome to computer class. Today we will study about components of verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So these are the part of your session number 2. You have to draw this diagram in your fair notebook and start session 2 from there. So first will be verbal communication. So first component of verbal communication is clear speech. The sender should be clear with words and speech and should use the right words in the correct context. Also, the volume of the speech should be clearly audible and should not be very loud or soft. Alright, so this will be the first component of clear speech, and second component is listening. Receiver should listen what is being said with full attention and the reliability. This is the main capability of the listener कि वो लिसन करना चाहिए. रिसीवर शुड लिसन व्हाट विल बी द फुल अटेंशन एंड द रियलेबिलिटी. एंड थर्ड component of verbal communication is compression. What it's mean receiver then comprehend which is being said by accessing the same in context in which is said. For example, if sentence say Rohan cut the tree, it give a wrong impression about the Rohan, as tree must be preserved as long as possible. Alright students, so your context should be right there. A big tree fell which damaged a bus carrying children and blocked the roads too. So this will be the right context about the compression here. And fourth component of verbal communication is language. The language of communication should be such so that both the sender and receiver can understand it. Alright students, so fluency of the language should be correct and avoid abbreviation maximum you can. So you have to learn all the component of your verbal communication. Next we go on non-verbal communication component. First component of your non-verbal communication comes here is body language. As you know very well, 55% of your communication tells about by the body gesture and body language. Next, other component tells your expression. Second component of non-verbal communication is facial expression. Facial expression show your the emotions, anger, fear, happiness, sadness and surprise. Each has been scientifically proven to have a certain facial expression associated with it. Alright, so next component is hand movement. With the face expression, your hands movements also very important. It give you or express you idea, opinion and emotions. And next will be the position. Position, what about the position? Their space in relation to the other. And closely we stand, how we sit, how we stand to the someone. The distance is normally determined by the social and cultural rules. These are the social rules and unique pattern of their interacting. And next will be your eye contact. Your eye contact show your confidence, and if you see longer duration more than 3 or 4 seconds, it may be termed as staring, or shorter duration from 1 second or less, it may term as eye dart. So you should have a particular time contact of eye contact with the primary tool. So it should be right amount of eye contact is 2 to 3 seconds with a person. Then establish eye contact with the next person. Alright, so next will be the your voice tone. Voice tone say some words said in the different tones convey different meaning. voice tone, pacing, pausing, volume, inflection, pitch and RT. These are the terms comes in the voice tone. These voice tone are the element are the critical because they convey the emotion, meanings, attitude and the impact. Alright, so you all have to cover in the points with the components of verbal and non-verbal communication. So thank you for today.